I'm Benny Hinkle. I own Benny Jack Antiques in Dallas.
And my name is Gretchen Hinkle, and I own two different antique vintage clothing stores here in Dallas. I own Dolly Python, established in 2005, and then Dolly on Bishop. And I've had that one open for about 3 years now. We buy what speaks to us, you know. So there's
I like the weirder stuff.
Yeah, I do too.
Anything with emotion. I always try to find stuff that stirs up emotion in people. Because I think that's what art is. And without that, you know, it's just a picture.
This is your home. We're in your home. This is your store, right? It's amazing.
These are all of our favorite things. So I don't know if there's anything that you want to ask us about that we can tell you about.
Actually, I kind of wanted to ask about everything that's on Benny's vest. If you could kind of show.
I collect watch fobs and watch chains. And
those are all watch fobs.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
It's all tangled up a little bit, but you get the idea. All antique watch fobs are hard to find. All gold, solid gold.
He inherited a few, and then most of them are Victorian, and
wax seals, and
there's a couple of crosses that reflect how he feels. But
morning fobs. I have a whole chain that's cigar cutters.
A chain has cigar cutters on it?
Yeah, all they're all gold cigar cutters. And these things.
Yeah.
This one's sterling silver.
Yeah.
And it's for
a little basket. Yeah.
Has a little head in there, but you put your little cigar in there, and wow.
Is that a cigar? Yeah, it's a cigar.
Oh, it's a cigar cutter. Yeah. This one.
We scour for those.
I can't find the bucket for this one, but it has had a. Oh, it does have the bucket. Oh, good. Bucket for the head. But yeah. This one, just.
Then what about that Iron Maiden? Do you have another? Is there another guillotine? We had another one.
Yeah. With the Iron Maiden, is that a functional object or is it just cool?
It's like a little souvenir, kind of for the when you go see the real one at a museum.
I see.
But they're still hard to find if you try to look them up, you can't find them. I can't. I look for them all the time.
Yeah. Would you guys classify your interests as like? I feel like it's not quite
macabre?
Oddities. Yeah, maybe macabre, yeah.
I guess you could.
I guess you could.
It just sort of seems like a lot of one-of-a-kind type things. Or you're already showing me things I've never seen before. Like, I don't see those at antique shows, or I don't see, like, taxidermy wind-up birds at antique shows. Which is a shame.
It's the harder to find things that we collect. I mean,
I bet now that you're aware of them, you may start seeing them.